All right, so this is the fuel system. Really, almost all of the components. The only piece we're not seeing is the injectors that will be in the head. This is the fuel system from a 4045 John Deere engine, so it's a 4-cylinder engine. And I've colored and highlighted a couple of the pieces here that I want to show. Number one, first we got to know where the fuel comes from. So off of our transfer pump, our fuel is going to come in to our supply port for our high pressure pumping element. And so then this guy's got two plungers, and they operate opposed to each other. And the output right here, so this is a high pressure out, and this also is a high pressure out. And both of those units are going to out and come in to the bottom of the rail. So this is going to be what we'll call the common rail. So as this engine is called most commonly a high pressure common rail fuel system, what we actually need to find is where the common rail is. And so that's what this is right here. So it's supplied by the two plungers that come in and feed this pressurized system and have a high pressure available amount of fluid or fuel that's there. All right, so then what also is common to this rail is the injector ports. So these injector ports, 1, 2, 3, and 4, go up through these lines up to the injectors. And these lines are often a one-time use line because of the high pressure that the system runs under. They're generally not reused. This port right here, we can see I've labeled it return, and that's for any leakage that happens within the rail. So this is a dual-walled piece. So you have your high pressure in the center, any leakage will come to the outside, come to this return line, come back through this top line, and come back into the fuel pump. Another piece we have for that return is also any return that's going to come back and off through this line right here from our injectors themselves. So then this system has high pressure at the rail and at the injectors, and it's the electronic actuation that allows that fuel to be delivered at the right time within the engine.